Win as much as 600,000 pesos in any of our electronic bingo sites. Bingo Pot in Magsaysay Drive beside Sam's Pizza. And Bingo Bonus in Barreto. Bingo Party located at RC Mall, East Bakbak Public Market. And your favorite bingo place, Bingo Party Traditional Bingo, is now open to serve you from 12:30 p.m. till 8:30 p.m. Bingo Pot is open from 11 a.m. to 4 a.m. Game responsibly. See you there.
Join the Hooray for Rainy Days promo of Treasure Amusement, and it's going to be for the entire month of August with a grand draw on August 31, 2024, featuring prizes like cash prizes and appliances and sacks of rice. Hooray for Rainy Days promo of Treasure Amusement.
Hi, we are the students of Westfield International School, and you are listening to DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome back to me, back to DJ Tommy G, the Hitman. Time once again for some of the latest piece of news from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. All right, and this time we have this report from the Department of SBMA Labor Department. That is, all right. The Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority Labor Department attended the work immersion program payout sa paanyaya ng city government of Olongapo City sa pangunguna ni Mr. Rizalino Jose, Persons with Disability Affairs Office, head na ginanap sa FMA Hall last August 8, 2024. Alright. Nakatanggap ng sahod mula sa budget ng Mayor's Office, Attorney Roland Lenjay Paulino Jr. ang around 77 na PWD, alright, na pinamahagi ni na Ginoong Ariel Objanela at Binibining Eleanor Francisco ng PDAW Olongapo 27 sa kanila ay nakapagtrabaho sa iba't ibang opisina at departamento ng SBMA, and 22 naman ang sa pribadong kumpanya dito sa loob ng Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Okay? Samantala, nirepresenta ni Miss Amy Dimakali, OIC ng Workforce Development Division, ang manager ng SBMA Labor Department na si Attorney Melvin L. Luminarias Varias sa pagbibigay ng mensahe at pagtanggap ng sertifikasyon ng pagkilala. Nagpasalamat si Miss Dimakali sa partnership ng local na pamahalaan at serbisyo at walang sawang pagtulong ng mga vulnerable section ng pamayanan, kabilang ang mga may kapansanan. Okay, so that's the latest. This one's from the SBMA Labor Department. All right. Yeah, sometimes I get nervous when the news item is in Tagalog. Baliktad din. All right, moving on. Also, we would like to invite you guys this coming August 16 na po, yung 78 Feast of San Roque Caracol Street Dance Festival. Okay? Novena Mass is ongoing August 7 to August 15, 5 to 6 p.m. every day at the San Roque Chapel. And then on August 16, the Mass will start things up with the Mass at 8 a.m. at the San Roque Chapel, and then 9 a.m. the street dance parade from San Roque to the Subic Gym. And then at the Subic Gym is the competition proper. 10 a.m. at the Subic Gym. You're all invited to join. It's open for everyone. Okay? Join us as we celebrate the 78th Feast of San Roque Caracol Festival. All right? You're all invited. And also, another set of invites here coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Cyber Zone, Cyber Month of August is ongoing. Okay, like featuring great deals on gadgets, sale on gadgets, and a whole lot more. All right, plus other cyber tech related events for you. Check it out at all SM malls. The Cyber Month of August. All right. Also, do check out the Everyday Deals promo, August 1 to 31, like the 200 pesos off every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. MWF, extra 3 times your SM Advantage card points. Okay, every Tuesdays and Thursdays. And Saturdays and Sundays, get the chance to win a free 500 peso pass, SM gift pass. Everyday Deals at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown, okay? Also, the SM Home Amazing August Home Sale is from August 1 to September 1, up to 50% off on selected items. Shop and Dine promo is ongoing. This will be up until August 20, July 15 to August 20. Shop and get exciting dining deals at SM City Olongapo Central. Visit the diners there. National Bookstore is having the Panalo Balik Eskwela Mo raffle promo, okay? And this is up until September 15. Get the chance to win the grand prize of 100,000 pesos and a whole lot more every 900, or rather every 199. Spend on any items, you'll get one raffle entry, okay? And the CBTL free drink upsize. Smack it for a refreshing treat. SM Advantage card is what we're talking about. Smack it, okay? Free drink upsize at CBTL, Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf at the SM Store, second level of SM Central. And the lineup of movies, of course, for those who want to catch the movies, you may buy your tickets online. Pwedeng bumili ng tickets online so you can get to choose the seats that you want. And let me give you the lineup of movies for both SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Cinema 1 at SM Central, Deadpool and Wolverine. Cinema 2, Borderlands. Cinema 3, It Ends With Us. Cinema 4, Unang Tikim. And back-to-back with When the World Met Miss Provinciana. Okay? And also, the Cinema 5, Blue Lock, episode Nagi, back-to-back with Trap. At Cinema 6, Project Silence, okay? And for SM Downtown Cinemas, Cinema 1, Deadpool and Wolverine. Cinema 2, Borderlands, Unang Tikim. And Cinema 3, It Ends With Us. Alright, so that's the lineup of movies for you. What's showing at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. And once again, you may purchase your tickets online. Pwede pong bumili ng ticket online, okay? Para mas madali, mas easy, okay? Alright, and as you guys know, we have an ongoing radio contest para sa Sam's Pizza Payday Sale Special. Okay, so you know what that means. We need a caller once again. All you have to do is answer the simple details. Ulitin ko lang. Again, the promo title is Sam's Pizza Payday Sale. Kailan ito? August 15, 2024. Alright? So the promo goes, get 2-in-1 flavors of 12 inches pizza for only 299. Wow, 2 flavors ha? Combined. Isang 12 inches. Tapos you can get to combine pepperoni and beef mushroom, Hawaiian and cheesy bacon mushroom, pepperoni and cheesy bacon mushroom, Hawaiian and beef mushroom. Okay, so pwede sa all branches ha. Sam's Pizza Magsaysay, Barreto and Castillejos. Okay, so yung mga magiging winners dito, ang claiming is on August 15. Ayan, sa payday sale mismo. Okay, at Sam's Magsaysay, Sam's Pizza Magsaysay, that is. Okay. And once again, you guys can call me up 0910-6909-501. Okay? That's the official number. Pero we have somebody calling right now. Let's check the caller. Okay. Hello, caller. Hello.
Hello po.
Hello, hi. Good afternoon to you. Ayan. Can you hear me loud and clear? Naririnig mo ako?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yun. Okay. Wag mo na akong tawaging, sir. Wag din, ma'am. Wag sir, wag din ma'am. Okay, DJ Tommy na lang. Ayan. Sali ka sa radio contest?
Sige po, sir.
Sasali ka sa radio contest, no? Okay, ng Sam's Pizza? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Ready ka na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I need to get your name muna. What's your full name? Ano pong pangalan nila?
Myrene Cartera.
Come again?
Myrene Cartera.
Mylene Cartera. Ayan. O, nililinaw ko lang kasi isusulat ko. I'm gonna put your name on a piece of paper. And envelope and drop in drop boxes. Hindi, ipo-forward ko doon para pag ikaw yung nanalo, alam na nila yung pangalan mo, ha? Kailangan tong pangalan na to, merong valid ID to, ha?
Okay, sir.
Ayan.
Myrene yan, sir, ha? Myrene.
Myrene. Oh, Myrene. Okay. Sa Tagalog, yung rin ko. Oo. Kasi pag rin mo, your rin. Kaya Myrene. Myrene Cartera. Okay. O sige, umpisa na natin, ha? Ready ka na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First question. Anong kinain mo kaninang umaga? Hindi yun. Biro lang. Ito talaga yung unang question, okay? So, ano yung title ng promo ng Sam's Pizza?
Sam's Pizza Payday Sale.
Payday sale. Yan. Okay. One question down. And that is correct. Okay? So, kailan po gaganapin yung kanilang payday sale?
August 15, 2024.
August 15, 2024 is also correct. Wow. Uy, malapit na, ha? Malapit ka na matapos. Konti na lang. Paano yung promo? How it goes yung promo? Paano siya?
Get 2-in-1 flavor of 12 inches pizza for only 299 pesos.
Wow, tama. Ang galing, no? 2 flavors na, no? Tapos 12 inches, tapos 299 lang. Murang-mura, di ba? Yeah, okay. So, ano yung mga flavors na pwedeng combine? Sa ulado mo ba? Did you do your assignment?
Mushroom,
Aha.
Hawaiian si bacon mushroom,
Okay.
pepperoni si bacon mushroom,
Okay.
Hawaiian and bacon mushroom.
Wow, kompleto. Ang galing. Okay. Kung ikaw pipili, anong pipiliin mo dyan? Anong kombinasyon mo?
Sa akin dito, sir, Hawaiian and cheesy bacon mushroom.
Hawaiian and cheesy bacon mushroom. Ayan. Sumasayaw ka siguro ng Hawaiian dance, no? Kaya pinili mo. Okay. Tapos ano yung branches na available to? Actually, lahat Pero you just give us the Sam's Pizza branches. Sige nga.
Some pizza, Magsaysay, Barito, and Castillejos.
Wow! Alright! Magsaysay, Barreto, and Castillejos, you got all the answers correctly. So that means you're the winner, Miss Myrene Cartera! Yay! Narinig mo yung palakpakan? May nagpapalakpakan dito sa station Ayan. Congratulations sa'yo, ha? You're the winner, okay? Ang claiming po is on August 15. Huwag mong kakalimutan. This coming Thursday. Thursday yun, August 15. Yun, sa araw mismo ng payday sale at Sam's Pizza Magsaysay, ha? And don't forget to bring your valid ID.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Opo.
Thank you.
Importanteng dalhin mo yung ID kasi, di ba sa school, kaya hindi pinapapasok yung tiger tsaka lion kasi walang ID. Ay, may mga, before you say goodbye, may mga gusto kang batiin?
Sa mga kasamahan ko lang sa trabaho, sir.
Okay. Sa?
Agency.
Saan? Pakiulit? Napuputol
Kasamahan ko po, sir.
Okay. Sige. Lahat sila, no? Hindi na natin isa-isa yung pangalan. Basta lahat, baka may malimutan pa, no? Walang lusot. Lahat nga daw, lahat, di ba? Ayan.
Okay po, sir.
Oo. One last question. Lahat ng tumatawag dito, tinatanong ko to traditional question. Kasi hindi ka nila nakikita, di ba? Naririnig ka lang. Ayan.
Yes, sir.
Sino daw yung artista look-alike ni Ate Myrene? Yung kamukha mo raw artista, sino daw? Para ma-imagine naman namin yung itsura mo.
Si Tikla, sir.
Sino?
Si Tikla.
Sino yun?
Tikla.
Yung komedyante? Si Tekla. Napapanood ko yun yung sa Bubay and Tekla show. Napapanood ko yun magaling magpatawa. Parang ikaw, ang galing magpatawa. Sige na nga. Ate Myrene, congratulations sa'yo, ha? You're the winner.
Sige po. Thank you po.
Okay, congratulations. So there you have it. Myrene. I gotta put her name on the list. Yan. Kailangan lagay ko sa listahan. Myrene Cartera. She is our winner for today. Ayan, okay. So we will go back to the requested songs. For those who want to request some more, text me up 0910-6909-501. Okay? Or call me up. Pwede nyo rin tawagan yung number na yan if you want to. So you better save that number. Dahil meron pa tayong Sam's Pizza contest, no? Pag gusto nyong manalo, kailangan save nyo yan. Okay? So here's our next song. Music coming from the band Typecast. This was called Will You Ever Learn? 895 Subic Bay Radio.
What's the point?